Remember, guys, they can stab you. Yeah. Yeah. I don't want to shoot you point blank. All right. Wait.
Wait, you can't take my knife.
Well, you're gonna stab me if I don't.
Well, he's surrendered already. Yeah, I'm not.
Okay, so after I.
So one.
Guys, let's go. No armband. No armband. Let's go. Keep going. Keep going. No armband. Let's go. Let's go. No armband. We got the pilots. Come on. Go. 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 Go.
It didn't even start.
All right, go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. The round just started. They told we all started running. They said the game started before.
That's right, bro.
Yeah, I had the pilots.
I know, I hate you.
No, the game didn't start yet. Everybody started running. Look in the rooms back here. Oh, got hit.
There's a killer on the road.
Yeah. Good. Alrighty, I'm going in there. Yo, you're in blue, man. No, not gonna call it. Not gonna call it. Oh. All right, Neon. Everybody's converting to blue now again? They just took about 12 people onto blue.
Yeah, he's trying to spawn in the back left corner. They just switched so many people to the blue team.
I saw that. What was that?
I don't know.
Yeah, they're still switching, yo.
What are they doing?
Yo, where's the pilot? We have him?
They have them over there on the right side. We have one of the.
We have one here, okay. Make sure you guys stay and defend them.
Heads up, yo. They're coming in this wall.
Right there, right there.
Twice? I shot you twice, dude.
Let me get out.
Okay. Got it. Call it. Arms up, dude, my arms up. Love the nipple. Love the nipple shot.